All right, so we're at the table, and today we're going to be going over universal position. Basically what it is when your object ball is close to a rail near a pocket, we could hit this ball numerous different ways. We can make contact with the cue ball in various ways, I should say, that will determine where the cue ball is going to go. So, all right, so for our first shot, as you can see, I want to get my cue ball into this shape zone over here, my bullseye zone. So I'm just going to hit very soft speed follow shot. And that puts me within my shape zone. And again, just to try to demonstrate what the universal position is, my object ball, my cue ball just traveled straight. I hit half the object ball, cue ball off the rail, and then it gave me position. So I used the rail, the angle of the cue ball contacting my object ball off the rail back to where my shape zone is. All right, now here's the same exact shot. It's the same layout. Cue ball's in the same position. My object ball, my 5-ball, is in the same position. But now I want to control the cue ball to the middle of the short rail. So I'm going to take a high follow with a slow speed, and then I'm going to cut it on the left side of the ball. So cue ball will make contact with half of the left side of my object ball into the rail, and then roll down for the proper position. And that's what we want. So again, you can see that's the same exact shot, well, I should say same layout. One, I cut the cue ball to the right side of the object ball. My next shot, I hit the left side of the object ball. You can see the two different positions. So that shot to the left brought me to my short rail. To the right would bring me to my long rail. All right, so here's that same layout. Again, as you noticed, I'm using the same layout. Object ball by the corner, cue ball on my spot. I need to control the cue ball over to the shape zone over here. On the opposite end, my long rail. So this shot, I'm going to hit with a high right. And that brings me within my shape zone. So again, as you can see, same shot. Object ball, cue ball, same position, all three shots. But yet I was able to control that cue ball to 3 different positions on the table. Practice with this. Just lay down, if you don't have a target, lay down a white piece of paper, something thin on the table, and go ahead and practice with it.